Welcome back. Now in this video we are going to work inside of the presenter view, and that means we're going to go to our slideshow menu and we're going to start our slideshow from the beginning. Now when we do this, you'll notice that our presenter view comes up on the screen, and there are several aspects of the presenter view that will help us. Now one of the main aspects of being able to work from the slide sorter view is the ease to which we're going to have access to highlighting tools for our presentation. So for example, we will be able to use this pen tool and laser pointing tool very easily from this view without showing it to the people that are viewing our presentation. So for example, if we choose the pen tool and we choose to use the highlighter, for example, and we will go ahead and switch the display view, one of the things you'll notice is that what we can do very easily is we can highlight things that are on the screen. And we can change these things very easily from our presenter view. For example, if we'd rather use the laser pointer, or if we'd rather use the pen. What we can also do is we can zoom in on a certain aspect of the screen, and we can do that with our magnifying glass. And now let's take a look at what this will look like in the presenter view. All we would do is we would click this magnifying glass, we'd find the place that we want to zoom in on, and we'd zoom in. To take the magnifying effect off, we'd zoom out. If we want to stop our presentation for a period of time and we want to focus on something else during our time, we can then go to this box that will blacken out the screen. And let's take a look at what this would look like inside of your presentation. And of course, the screen would go black. Now we can also change this and we can make this screen a white screen. Either way, all we would need to do is to click on the icon, and let's show you what this looks like again, in order to make that screen black or white. What this does is this allows you to create a break when you're at a point at which you don't want to stop your presentation, but you need someone to focus on something other than what's on the screen. Now it's possible that you may want to go someplace else in your presentation. That's fairly easy to do if you want to find it by advancing the slides. Once again, you can go to the last slide that you looked at by using these controls. Here's the previous slide, here's the next slide, here's the last viewed slide. You can do this from this menu. We can also see all of the slides, and we click this link, and that's the same effect as if we clicked this icon. We'll be able to see all of our slides, and by clicking on a particular slide, that'll bring the clickable slide to the forefront. In order to go back, all we would need to do is to either go back and find our place in the slide, or all we would really need to do is to right click and then find our previous slide. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.